Ready to unleash your creative genius on YouTube but unsure how to export your Vsdc masterpiece so it actually gets seen? Let's jump right into how to export your video from Vsdc free video editor with the optimal settings for YouTube's algorithm, guaranteeing the best possible viewing experience for your audience. First, open your project in Vsdc, make sure your editing is complete and you're happy with the final result. Next, click on the Export Project tab located in the top menu bar. This opens up the Export Options panel. Here, you'll see several export profiles. Select the YouTube profile. This will pre-configure several settings specific to YouTube's requirements. Now, let's fine-tune those settings. Under the YouTube profile, you'll see resolution options. I recommend choosing 1920 by 1080, also known as 1080p. For optimal clarity, select your frame rate. 30 frames per second is generally ideal for most content, but if you filmed at a higher frame rate, like 60 fps, choose that option to maintain your original quality. Ensure that H264 is selected as your video codec. This is the most widely supported codec for YouTube. Now, let's configure the audio settings. Make sure AAC is selected as your audio codec. Can set the bitrate to 190 to kbps. Finally, select stereo for the channels if you have a stereo audio track. Once you're happy with these settings, choose a destination folder for your exported file and give it a descriptive name. Then, click the Export Project button. Vsdc will now begin rendering your video. This may take some time depending on the length and complexity of your project. And that's it. Once the export is complete, you'll have a YouTube-ready video file. Simply upload it to your channel, add your title, description, and tags, and watch your audience grow. Good luck.